and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
At that time, Jesus came to Jericho and intended to pass through the town. Now, a man there named Zacchaeus, who was a chief tax collector and also a wealthy man, was seeking to see who Jesus was. But he could not see him because of the crowd, for he was short in stature. So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore tree in order to see Jesus, who was about to pass the way. When he reached the place, Jesus looked up and said, "Zacchaeus, come down quickly, for today I must stay at your house." And he came down quickly and received him with joy. When they saw this, they began to grumble, saying, "He has gone to stay at the house of a sinner." But Zacchaeus stood there and said to the Lord, "Behold, half of my possessions, Lord, I shall give to the poor. And if I have extorted anything from anyone, I shall repay it 4 times over." And Jesus said to him, "Today salvation has come to this house, because this man too is a descendant of Abraham. For the Son of Man has come to seek and to save what was lost." My friends, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good afternoon, Father.
Another person wanted to see Jesus in our Gospel today. We didn't have a Mass yesterday. A little review. Yesterday, a blind man wanted to see Jesus. Wanted to come near Jesus. Maganda yung salita kahapon na tinanong ni Jesus sa bulag. Ang sabi ni Jesus sa bulag, "Ano ang ibig mong gawin ko sa iyo?" Sabi ng bulag, "Ibig kong magbalik ang aking paningin." Isn't it obvious? If a blind man would come to Jesus, what do you think he wants? But no, he has to say into Jesus, kailangan mong sabihin. Hindi ibig sabihin, nanay ka, alam na ni Jesus ang pangangailangan mo bilang ina. It doesn't mean to say you are a student. Jesus knows already the needs of student. No, you have to say it. And the question was, ano ang ibig mo na gawin ko sa iyo? Look at the word, ibig. Na gusto. Magkaiba yun. The word ibig came from the word pag-ibig. Ano yung mahal mo? Ano yung iniibig mo at gusto mong ibigay ko sa iyo? Pag gusto lang, madaling makalimutan. Kasi bukas may bago ka na naman gusto. Di ba gano'n? Papalit-palit tayo ng gusto. Pero if you love it, and if God will give you what you love, you will take care of it. You will value it. Marami sa atin nagdadasal, gustong gumaling. Nung pinagaling, yan, balik sa bisyo. Why? Nakalimutan. Gusto lang kasi. Pero kung iniibig mo yung kalusugan, you will take care of it. That's the person who wanted to see Jesus, a blind man. While today, a different person wanted to see Jesus through the person of Zacchaeus, a tax collector. Oh, a chief tax collector. During the time of Jesus, tax collectors were considered sinners. Why? Because they collect too much tax and they keep some for themselves. Sa panahon natin ngayon, we call that tongpats. Have you heard the term? Si Yorme. Tongpats, patong. Papatungan yung sapat lang na buwis. At yung patong na sobra, itatago, ibubulsa. Kaya nga, during the time, tax collectors were considered sinners. People were angry at them because they keep money for themselves. It's like corruption. During the time, I don't know now, how do you look at sinners or how do you look at tax collectors now? Makasalanan ba sila? Alam mo kayo. But during Jesus' time, people were angry at the tax collector. And here, Zacchaeus, the chief tax collector, wanted to see Jesus, wanted to come close to Jesus. But he could not do so. Why? He was small in stature. Napakaliit niya. And he cannot see Jesus because people were taller than him. So, he could not see Jesus. But what he did was to climb a sycamore tree. He climbed the sycamore tree from where Jesus saw him. And Jesus asked him to come down. And they went to their house, to the house of Zacchaeus. Well, people were mumbling at each other because Jesus was with the tax collector. Ganyan, chinichismis, kasama niya yung tax collector. Siguro, kasama din siya. Siguro, siya din namumupit. Siguro, meron siyang cup. Di ba ganun tayo? Pagkasama mo ang chismosa, kahit hindi ka chismosa, anong tawag sa'yo? Di ba ganun na rin? Kapag sama mo ang adik, at hindi ka naman nag-aadik, anong tingin ng tao sa'yo? Adik na din. Kaya, mag-ingat sa mga sinasamahan, choose your friends, or else other people might regard you as such. But in the case of Zacchaeus, he didn't care. And more so Jesus, he did not care because he wanted Zacchaeus to change his ways, to change his life. This is the invitation for us. To seek Jesus, to come to Jesus. There are times, there are reasons that hinder us to come to Jesus. Hindi tayo nagsisimba. Bakit? Busy sa trabaho. Pero pag nawala ng trabaho, kanino lalapit? Kay Jesus din. Hindi ka nagsisimba. Bakit? Ay, busy sa school. Maraming assignment. Pero kapag board exam na, kanino nagdadasal? Diba? Hindi nagsisimba. Bakit? Busy sa gawaing bahay. Maraming trabaho sa bahay. Pero kapag magulo na ang bahay, kanino nagdadasal? Look at that. We have so many reasons that hinder us from coming to Jesus. But look at Zacchaeus. He overcame those hindrances because he has a stronger desire. His desire is stronger than the hindrance. And this is the invitation for us. Labanan yung mga pumipigil. Mas lalong palakasin yung ating kagustuhan lumapit kay Jesus. This is the message for us to seek Jesus even if we're amidst hindrances. Walang matinding hadlang sa taong may pagnanais na makalapit sa Diyos. Gaya ng walang matinding kasalanan ang pwede pwede makapaghiwalay sa tao